So what is your name?
Prabhat Misra.
Prabhat. Prabhat, so how was your day?
Yeah. Nice.
So, okay. So tell
Yeah.
me about yourself.
I'm Prabhat Misra. I'm front-end developer at ProScaler Private Limited Company. I have a 7 months of working experience as a React.Js developer. About my qualification, I have completed my graduation from APS University last year. After that, I have completed my full stack development certification from PSH Academy. After completed my certification, I got an opportunity for a 3 months of internship as a React developer. So after completed my internship, he offers me a full-time job. So currently I'm working for there.
Perfect. So what are your hobbies, Prabhat?
Uh, Music production, designing, programming.
What are your strengths?
Yeah, I'm self-motivated person. I'm dedicated. So yes, I'm flexible.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
My English is not so good, so but I'm working on it.
Okay. So what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
During full stack development certification in front-end technology, I have covered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.Js, and in backend, I have covered Ruby on Rails.
Okay. So how many projects you have created?
Yeah, yeah.
How many projects you have created?
Projects. I have created more than 10 projects.
Okay. What was the recent project?
Yeah. It was a city information site, which is similar to the justdial.com. There have two categories. First one is doctor, and second one is a lawyer categories. So my role was to develop the UI parts of the doctor categories. So I have designed the doctor categories UI parts.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is React?
React is a free and open source JavaScript library which is used for the building the dynamic websites and single page web applications.
Why React is so popular?
Uh, Here are many reasons why React are so popular, but here are four reasons. First one is it's provide a component-based architecture, so it is easy to maintain, easy to write, and easy to reuse. And second one, it's provide a virtual DOM, so which enhance the performance of the application. Third one is a SSR, server-side rendering, and fourth one is a unidirectional data flow. Yeah, these are the reasons why React are so popular.
What is JSX?
JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It is a syntax extension of a JavaScript which provide you to write HTML-like code in a JavaScript.
What is Axios?
Axios, it's a React library which is used for the making the API calls.
So what are React hooks?
Reacts are the newly added feature in React version 16.8. React hooks, it's a inbuilt function in React which give you access to use state and lifecycle method into the component.
Okay. What is the use of use effect hook?
Use effect, it's a hooks which is introduced in React version 16.8, and it's used for the performance side effect in a functional component like data fetching, making API calls, etc. And it replaces the life cycle method of a class component like component did mount, component unmount, did unmount. Yeah, these are
Okay.
yeah.
What is the use of use state hook?
Use state is a hooks which introduced in React version 16.8, and it is used for the manage the local state into the functional component.
What is use memo?
Use memo are the hooks which introduced in React version 16.8, and use memo is used to enhance the performance of application, and it returns the memoized value.
Okay. What are constructors?
Constructor are used in a class component which is used for the initialize the state.
What is NPM?
NPM stands for Node Package Manager, which give you access to install the third-party libraries, tools, and dependencies in your React application, which enhance your functionality.
What is NVM?
NVM stand for Node Version Manager. It's manage the different version of a Node.js in React applications.
What are the limitations of React?
Uh, Limitations of React. First one is that it's not a fully fledged framework. So we have to install the third-party libraries, tools for the various work. Like for making API call, we have to install the third-party library Axios. For manage the state, we have to install the route Redux. We have to for manage the state, we have to install the hooks. So these are the limitations. Yeah.
Correct. So what is NN property in JavaScript?
Sorry.
What is
NAN.
NN property?
NAN, not a number. It's
Not a number.
represent not a number. Yeah, it's represent not a number.
Okay. What is current function?
Function currying is a technique in JavaScript when the first function returns the second function returns the third function, and third function returns the fourth function, so on. And each function have a one argument. Each argument have every function have one argument. So this technique is called function currying.
What is JSON?
JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, which it is used to communicate between two server.
What is the use of Ajax?
Ajax stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is used to perform it represents the asynchronous behavior of JavaScript. When the state of object is changed, so Ajax change only that object into real DOM rather than refreshing all the objects or pages.
Okay. What is higher order function?
Higher order function are the function which takes the another function as an argument. It's called a higher order function.
Okay. What is callback function?
Callback function are the function which get into another function as an argument. It's called callback function.
So, what is memoization?
Memoization are the optimization technique which is used to enhance the performance of application and reduce the complexity of the application.
What is process?
Process it is an object in JavaScript. It is used to perform the asynchronous operation in JavaScript, and it is used to handle the asynchronous operation and errors in during the asynchronous operation.
What are functional components?
Functional component. Functional components are the component which have not their own state and have only their render methods to return the JSX on the screen, and they are also known as stateless component.
Okay. What is the difference between states and props?
Stand it is used to hold the information about component, and props it stand for properties, which is give you access to pass data from parent component to the child component. And states are mutable, so we can access in a child component, and props are immutable, so we cannot modify and access in the child component.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is GitHub? Why we use GitHub?
GitHub are the GitHub are the open source platform which is used to host your website, your data, and also used to save your data into the GitHub profile.
Prabhat, are you a fresher or experienced?
I'm experienced 7 months of working experience.
What is the name of the company you're working for?
ProScale, a private limited company.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
what is the working schedule there?
it's 10 to 5 p.m.
It's into okay.
Yeah,
So why do you want to switch the company?
yes, sir. Yeah, sorry, repeat the question.
So why do you want to switch the company?
Actually, Riva is a growing city, but for the IT sector, there have been less opportunity to growth better. So I'm looking for a better growth. So I decided to better go for a bigger cities.
Okay. So what's the salary expectation?
3.5 LPA.
Okay. Done.